Listen, my dear friends. Zero value. Once there was a great mathematician. He called all the numbers for a meeting. All the numbers came except zero. The mathematician asked, "Where is zero?" No one knew where zero was. Therefore, the mathematician ordered, all the numbers go and find zero. After searching for a while, they finally found zero hiding behind a tree. The mathematician asked, "Why are you hiding behind a tree?" Zero started crying, "Wow, wow, I have no value. No one likes to play with me. I have no value. No one respects me to play with me. And no respect me. It hurt me a lot." The mathematician thought for a while and smiled. He asked number one to come and stand on zero right side. Then he asked all the numbers, "What is the value now?" All the numbers shouted, "It is number 100. It is number 110. So the value increased to 10. Again the mathematician called another zero to come and stand on zero left side. Then he asked all the numbers, "What is the value now?" All the numbers shouted, "It is number 100. It is number 100. Therefore, increment to 100. And zero became hero. The moral of the story: if we stand united, our value increases. Thank you.